In front of me is Nokia C31 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now click on Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. Now click on the one that you wish to connect to from the list of the available ones. Finally, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this gear icon next to the device, choose Forget, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one by tapping on it again and selecting Pair one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!